Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Alphonse. Today we have an exciting unboxing and comparison of two stunning Lamborghini Countach LPI 800-4 models from two popular brands, Mini GT and Pop Race. Well, take a close look at the design, details, and price to see which one gives you the best value. So if you're a diecast collector or a Lamborghini fan, make sure to stick around. First up, we have the Mini GT Lamborghini Countach LPI 804 in Bianco Siderale. Mini GT is known for its high-quality diecast models at a more affordable price point. So let's see what they bring to the table. Wow, right out of the box, the Bianco Siderale paint looks absolutely stunning. The pearl scent white finish gives it a premium touch, and Mini GT's attention to detail is impressive. Fun fact, Bianco Siderale was originally a custom Lamborghini color created for Formula One champion Lewis Hamilton. Its name means stellar white in Italian, inspired by the brilliance of the stars. The proportions look accurate and the sharp lines of the Countach are well executed. Mini GT uses rubber tires, it is rolling guys, and metal body construction, of course, and also the bottom part, which give it a solid feel. The side mirrors are pre-attached and Lamborghini logos are printed crisply. See that? Zoom in. There you go. And the headlights are also plastic, not painted. Just good. It's a clear plastic with painted, I think, yeah. Well, it's still very good details. Now let's check out the Pop Race Lamborghini Countach LPI 804. Pop Race is gaining popularity for their detailed models, sometimes offering extra features like opening parts. And let's see how it compares. All right, right away, the Pop Race model has a different feel. The white paint is slightly different in tone compared to Mini GT's Bianco Siderale. It has more of solid white look rather than pearl scent. The biggest difference is in details. One major plus for Pop Race is the use of clear plastic for the headlights, giving it more realistic look. Also, key difference is the color of the wheels. They have gold wheels, and also they have white interior upholstery for the seat. It's white, and dashboard also is white. Exhaust tip, right? So they have exhaust tip painted with Pop Race, and Mini GT is just black. Okay. All right, so let's just focus for this one first. Okay, so the vent and panel of Pop Race car is also very detailed, sharper, and the wheels is more intricate as well. Yep. No, guys. So here, now here's where pop rays really stand out. This model has opening parts, and you can open the hood to reveal a detailed engine. Right. So let's try to open it here. Right. So, and it is all painted. Let's check more details. Okay. So the gold. Okay. And even access the front trunk. These functional elements add a layer of realism that collectors will appreciate. The side mirror is very soft rubber, yeah, but nevertheless, it gives us more details. The exhaust tip, um, gold wheels, but the color is just white. Yeah, right. So the headlights is um, clear but painted inside. That is the details. The upholstery is white. So that is the pop race. Now let's compare, guys, side by side. Both models have excellent sculpting and proportion, but there are some key difference. But there are some key differences. The Mini GT version has shinier finish in a slightly slicker look, while the Pop Race version has more intricate detailing, especially in the vents and the hood, the moving parts. Mini GT's wheels look slightly simpler. Yeah. Mini GT's wheels look simpler, Mini GT's wheels look slightly simpler, whereas Pop Race adds more realism, probably because it's painted gold, so it popped really. Plus, with its moving parts, Pop Race offers more interactive elements for collectors. So Pop Race and Mini GT has something to offer. They have different details. Little details is very important as well. If you take a look the gas cap, right, Pop Race, it's painted in gold and black. Also, Mini GT also have this feature. Um, it painted black and silver. Now let's talk price. Mini GT version typically costs around $15 to $20, making it a budget-friendly options for collectors who wants a good-looking model without spending too much. Meanwhile, the Pop Race version usually retails 25 to $30, which is a bit more expensive, but offers finer details and more premium feels. Um, for most of their um, models, not all models though, offers moving parts such as this. But I got these two models in AliExpress. This one I got the Mini GT way back September of 2023, and the Pop Race is just recent purchase. It arrived last week. Right. Which one is better? Honestly, it depends on what you're looking for. If you want an affordable, high quality model with a great finish, Mini GT is a solid choice. But if you're after some extra details such as moving parts and a slightly more premium feels, actually both feels like premium compared to other brands. Pop Race is also, I can say, a Pop Race is worth the extra money. Either way, both are fantastic representation of the legendary Countach LPI 800-4. Wrap up our unboxing and comparison of the Mini GT Pop Race Lamborghini Countach LPI 804 model. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more diecast car content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.